by the road.
It'll be dark.
Registered campers only.
It's gonna be dark in here, John.
It's gonna be dark. That is true. Okay, guys, so we drove up from Magney State Park. I love that park. We just drove up from there yesterday evening. Stopped over in Duluth, Minnesota. Ate at this place called Pickwick's. Oh my freaking God! If you're ever there, stop. I had a 14-ounce ribeye that was to die for. They've got this smoked whitefish that's served cold, and it comes with capers and purple onions and boiled egg slices, some crackers. I didn't eat the crackers, and this horseradish that I can only assume they make there. Amazing! That was freaking awesome. Okay, so we drove up. We're at Judge C.R. Magney State Park. There's a place here called Devil's Kettle we're going to hike to today or tomorrow. We're here for a few days. This is a non-electric site. Looks really cool. Let me show you. Now you see all my solar. It's got chances of rain and stuff tomorrow, so. There you are. All right. Well, for breakfast today, I think it's around 9:30. I am making some lamb and some eggs, lamb and eggs. Duh, lamb and eggs go together. All right, I'll let you see when it's done. All right, look at this right here. Got some lamb, couple 10 eggs. Outstanding. All right, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Get my breakfast on. I do have some good stuff I'm gonna cook this weekend. Stay tuned. All right, look at this. Bears have been sighted in the campground. There have been no bear incidents. Please be proactive to keep all food, grills, shampoos, toothpaste. Heck yeah. No bear. Hey guys, so we're heading up to Grand Portage State Park, up near the Canadian border. That's the whole purpose of the trip, was to go up this far north on Minnesota's northern shore. There's a lot of work being done up here, a lot of work, a lot of road work. I'll let you see when we get there.
Does this sign say "Welcome to the United States" or just "Welcome to
Turn left,
Minnesota"?
then your destination is on the right.
We are at, I would say that's the Canadian border.
Yeah.
I would say that's the Canadian border.
Let me roll the window down.
Yep.
Say it again.
That's the Canadian border. Good.
You're
Grand Portage State Park. Good news is I don't see any poison oak. Oh, this is so cool. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh man. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. This is what it's all about. This is so cool, guys. Absolutely gorgeous up here. I'd love to park my truck here somewhere. More aster. That's my wife falling to her death. You okay? This looks too beautiful. Yeah, there's steps down there. Well, steps. Oh man. There is a trail down there. I can see it from here. I don't know if it's a deer trail. Oh man. I got a feeling we're fixing to see something. Steps. Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We were down there. Hey guys, so we're up here at High Falls in Grand Portage State Park, and I guess that's Grand Portage, Minnesota. This is so cool. This is why we drove all the way up here. We always wanted to go to Grand Portage. Don't know a whole lot about Grand Portage, but we're learning a lot while we're here. Oh, so gorgeous. This is a really good walk for, I would say, about anybody. It's a ramp up here. It's paved, then you got a wooden boardwalk. So it's nice. There's a few steps, so I wouldn't you're not bringing a wheelchair up here. Oh man, the rapids. They say they used to put logs over that river back in the day. Can you imagine? I think this is called the Pigeon River. Hope you can hear me. Oh wow. Downstream, you get to really get down in the water, playing the rocks. Let's see if I can get you over the edge. Three points of contact. This still ain't that many steps. Trust me, I hate steps.
They're not high and they're very wide.
Yep. Now that's the ramp. There's little steps here and there.
Oh man.
This is one of the nicer shower houses I've been to. Not exactly the newest, but definitely one of the nicest. It's clean. All right, so we are here and we're gonna go on this trail right here. We are here. We're on this trail right here. I walk that way. And that's gonna take us up to Devil's Kettle. We're gonna see some bears.
Make note of the time. It is. Oh, I turned my phone off because I didn't fucking read it.
8:57 a.m.
Oh, raspberries. Look, the raspberries. What?
I don't know that.
The raspberries.
They death berries for all I know.
This is beautiful.
This is. Parking lot curb. Way up here on a foot only trail. Interesting. Coming up on a trail sign. That's what this trail sign says. I'd say blue is for waterfall. So beautiful in here.
Do you think they're protecting or stunting its growth?
Fire protection. Alright guys, so we're still climbing. They say, I believe this is a 383 feet climb. They call this moderate. Pretty sure this is moderate. Some people may be strenuous, but just take your time. It is a nice wide clear trail though. Not getting a wheelchair up here. Unless it's some kind of weird off-road one I don't know about.
They're supposed to be doing.
That's what we've been looking for. Somebody said, don't worry, there's plenty of benches in the park. I'll have to wait and see, but they say they're grouse of some sort. Maybe a quail. I'm not sure.
You should get a shot of that.
Really is beautiful back here, guys. Look at that tree twirled around. I wonder if somebody did that when they were young. Yeah, this was not the waterfall trail. It had a sign that looked like waterfall, but I guess it wasn't a waterfall trail. We hiked, I don't know, a mile and a half up in it and decided this is not the right thing. Sometimes you'll have that. It was still beautiful, still worth walking. I'm gonna go see if I could find that trail. A right one. Kettle trail, there it is. Okay. I got air compressor in the truck. Okay guys, so I owe you guys an apology. I went down the wrong trail. We spent what extra time we had doing that today. We got on our bikes and we rode down to where the Devil's Kettle actually is. And those of you who know me know I don't like busy spaces, and there were a lot of cars parked down there. That's 1.9 miles round trip, and there was a lot of cars down there. It's not happening. But I had a really great time up here. This is a really great little park. The bathhouse is one of the best I've ever been in. Highly recommend. Judge C.R. Magney State Park. There's a lot of stuff in this area to see. Grand Marais, we ate at my sister's place, I believe is the name of it. Really great food. The burgers were fantastic. I threw my buns away, but they felt good, but everything else was great on that. I would highly recommend this place. And if you're here, you need to go to Grand Portage, and you need to hike that trail back to High Falls. Really easy hike. You should definitely do it. All right, guys, still getting lost. I'm headed to Flambeau River State Park in Somerville, Wisconsin. I don't even know where it's at, but it's in Wisconsin. All right, see you then.